Not much of an unboxing to do here, but these are basically shoes for your chairs. So if you have carpet in your dining room or whatnot, you probably would never really need this. But for somebody like me that has hardwood floors, every time I get up out of my chair in the kitchen, it sounds something like this. That's pretty annoying. So with these, you're able to just slide them over each one of the feet to hopefully get rid of that sound. Let's see if they work. Here, you can hear all that noise. Let's take 4 of these and slide on here. And nothing really special to it, just gotta stretch it over the feet. I believe they make different sizes, but the ones that I've tagged in this video are the exact ones we bought. But I'll say, even as little as these are, they go on pretty good. Let's get the other 3 on. Bingo. And now will you look at that. My chair slides on the hardwood without making a single bit of noise. I am truly in love.